Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve the example 10 from chapter 2 triangles. In my previous videos, I have completed the theorems 2.1 to 2.9, exercises 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4, examples 1 to 9. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Example 10 from chapter 2 triangle says, in figure 2.48, angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees and angle CD is perpendicular to AB. Prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. So here this is a figure 2.48 and they have given us that the angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to side AB in triangle ABC, and we have to prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. So here if you look at the figure, this figure is very much similar to theorem 2.7 where we have a right angle triangle, right angle at angle C, and then we have a perpendicular drawn CD to the hypotenuse AB of right angle triangle, and therefore triangles on both the sides of this perpendicular will be similar with each other, and also it will be similar with the whole triangle ABC. Right, so here let us apply theorem 2.7 and solve this example problem. Now coming to the solution, let us write what is given in the question first. So write down given angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB in triangle ABC. Okay, and what we have to prove? We have to prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD divided by AD. So in the proof, let us write down by theorem 2.7, we can say that the triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC and triangle BCD is similar to triangle ABC, and also these two triangles, that is ACD is similar to triangle BCD. That is from theorem 2.7. So write down from theorem 2.7. So you guys have to write down the whole statement of this theorem 2.7, which says if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both the sides of this perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and also it is similar to each other. So write down the whole statement of theorem 2.7. Therefore, we can write triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC. Likewise, triangle BCD is similar to triangle ABC, and triangle ACD is also similar to triangle BCD. So let this be equation 1. Since the triangles are similar here, now let us write down the corresponding ratios of the similar triangle. So write down from 1, we will take the first similar triangles, that is triangle ACD similar to triangle ABC. So if these two triangles are similar, let us write down the corresponding ratios of these two similar triangles. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. So here in triangle ACD, this is the right angle. Side opposite this right angle is AC, which is the hypotenuse. Similarly, in triangle ABC, right angle is at vertex C, so hypotenuse is AB, equal to the base in triangle ACD is AD divided by base of triangle ABC is, let us take the base here as AC, that is equal to the perpendicular. Perpendicular in triangle ACD is CD divided by perpendicular in triangle ABC will be BC. The perpendicular and the base can be interchanged, but the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. Okay, so here if you observe in the first and the second ratio, AC is common. So let us cross multiply these first two ratios and find out the value. So let us take AC by AB equal to AD by AC and cross multiply. So cross multiplying, you are going to get AC into AC is AC square, and that is equal to AB into AD. Okay, so let us name this as equation 2. Now similarly, let us write down the corresponding ratios in triangle BCD and triangle ABC. Again, similarly, since triangle BCD is similar to triangle ABC, let us write down the corresponding ratios again here. So in triangle BCD, right angle is at vertex D, so hypotenuse is BC, divided by hypotenuse of triangle ABC is AB, equal to, let us take the base in triangle BCD. Base in triangle BCD is BD. So let us take the base in triangle ABC as BC now. Okay, previously we took AC, here we are taking BC, and that is equal to the perpendicular triangle BCD. Perpendicular is CD, and in triangle ABC now perpendicular is AC. So here if you observe, BC is common in first and second ratio, so we will take only these two ratios and cross multiply. So BC by AB is equal to BD by BC. So let us cross multiply now. So we will get BC into BC as BC square is equal to AB into BD. AB into BD. So let this be equation number 3. So now if you look at what we have to prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. So left hand side should be the ratio of BC square by AC square. Now here in equation 2 and 3 we have BC square and AC square in the left hand side. So let us divide 3 by 2 so that we get BC square by AC square. So write down divide 3 by 2. So therefore we will get BC square by AC square is equal to the right hand side part we have to write. So BC square was equal to AB into BD by AC square is AB into AD. So here this AB and AB will get cancelled in the numerator and denominator, and therefore we are left with BC square divided by AC square equal to BD by AD. So therefore we have proved this equation, that is BC square by AC square equal to BD by AD. So this is how we solve this problem. This is very easy example. We have to apply the theorem 2.7 and find out the similar triangles, and through this similar triangles find out the corresponding ratios and find the required equation that we have to prove. So this is how we solve this problem. If you have any further doubts, do comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving example 11 from chapter 2 triangles. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC and Cert Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 2 triangles shown on the screen. Thank you.